Equipment defect detector. Milepost 5.3. Track number 2.
All right, we got our first train of the day here on Saturday. It's a very warm Saturday here in August, but was it the third today? Let's take a look and see what we got hitting the diamond. Here he comes. Well, how about this? He has no cars. Well, he slowed down a little bit, so I'm not sure what's going on. He may be going up to pick up some grain cars. All right. 2 engines, that was quick. Stay tuned for some more action, guys. Up here at the Amtrak station. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we have train 2 set up here August 3rd here on Saturday. And we do have a train, looks like it's heading northbound. I do have, I believe, a Herzog train setting on the CSX line. Let's take a look and see what we got coming through here, getting ready to hit the diamond. UP. Newer paint scheme, it looks like. Listen to them hit that diamond. I tried to get those Boston and Maine cars filmed. Get a lot of those Boston and Maine cars through here on these Union Pacifics. Boston and Maine. Now we got one I think it's a Herzog train setup. It's CSX, not a UP. I believe it's CSX. He may have a Union Pacific on him, but all right, guys, that was a good catch. And that is train 2. We'll have train 3 coming up here real soon. Hey, maybe we'll get a meetup. Sometimes we'll get a meetup through here, especially when they're waiting behind the signals like that. So, all right, stay tuned. We're gonna try to catch this train. I believe, like I said, I think it's a Herzog train. We'll check it out. All right, guys, we got another northbound train set up here, getting ready to hit the diamond. Train 3 today, so we'll get at least 4. So let's take a look and see what we got coming through here. Following that Union Pacific, he's going northbound, so let's take a look. Like he's got a center rail on him. Open boxcar. I was calling for the yard buzzards, see if they were in there or not. All right, well, let's see, 3. That's train 3 right off the bat here. So far, a busy Saturday. Hopefully this Herzog train will be able to make its way through. Canadian National pretty much runs the diamond here, so everything has to go through them first, then CSX will get the clearance. But I'm hoping maybe that if these guys hold off, maybe we'll have 2 trains coming through here. This guy's on the main, so I may have to set up on the other side of the tracks just in case we might get a meetup. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. We'll have more action coming. So far, it's been a Union Pacific, Canadian National, just 2 single units. Then we had the Union Pacific manifest northbound. Then we had CN City Rail manifest northbound. So we'll get train 4 here in just a little bit, and hopefully 5. All right, we'll check you out. All right, guys, we got this train on the CSX line. He's been setting for about, I don't know, at least 3 or 4 Canadian Nationals to go through. So here he comes now, and it is CSX. So let's take a look and see what we got through here. See if it might be a Herzog train. right, 3 CSX on there, empty Herzog train, heading eastbound. Herzog trains will stop for days over there in Terre Haute, over there just across the they'll be all across the Wabash River, just sitting on the siding. I've caught him over there a few times, so we'll see. But he's an empty Herzog train, and he may be going to set. But anyways, guys, all right, train 5. All right, check you guys. Herzog train is just clearing, because it looks like we have CSX intermodal coming through here, just what I thought. So we did have a little bit of a meet-up. I just didn't quite time it out right, but here he comes. CSX intermodal coming through now, so the traffic is heavy. Let's take a look. All right. Herzog train just going around the corner, or around the curve, I mean. And just around the curve came the CSX. So they're passing each other right now. So let's take a look. Some more CSX action. Bring us some heritage units, that'd be great. I haven't had very much luck on the heritage units on this line. Just a short intermodal train heading towards St. Louis. Woo! Out here, I got to keep the fluids in me today, that's for sure. It is a hot day here on August 3rd. All right, guys. So the Herzog train moved through, and just on the other side, on the siding, was the intermodal. So, all right, guys. Maybe done with CSX for a little bit, maybe a couple hours or so. They'll be back, a few more coming back through here. So, all right, stay tuned, guys. A little earlier than what I expected, but we do have another CSX coming through here. He is also on the siding, making his way through. I think it's a Union Pacific. Looks like a manifest. Let's take a look and see what we got coming through here. We had a busy day. This will be our third CSX of the day. And it is a UP. a video. Love that horn. Oh, North Chicago Northwestern Harbor. Well, he's heading towards St. Louis, and like I said, he knows how to enhance a video, that's for sure. That was a cool catch. Cool engineer too. So all right, there he goes, guys. You can see St. Louis bound, 2 UPs. All right, we'll check you on the next video, guys.
West on one, clear 29, approach medium 32 out.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 31.1. Track 1. No defects. Train speed 8, 0. Total axle 5, 6. End of transmission.
the CSX line. Let's take a look and see what we got rolling through here. Looks like it might be UP. CSX, been hot. They've been busy. like I said, our fourth CSX, starting with the Herzog train, coming through town He's heading eastbound. So we had 2 westbound, 2 eastbound trains coming through, I believe. Yeah, I think it was something like that. All right, guys, another good catch there. Union Pacific, 2 UPs moving through. And like I said, stay tuned. We'll see if we can catch anything else on the Canadian National line here. The Salukie's just about ready to be here, so we got about maybe a half hour or so. The Salukie will be here, and we'll see if we can pick up any more traffic. All right, we'll catch you on the next video, guys.